Procedure of environmental appraisal in India. An appraisal committee constituted by the Ministry of Environment and Forest to first scrutinize the project based on the data presented by project authorities. If necessary, the Ministry of Environment and Forest may also hold consultations with the investors and experts on specific issues as and when necessary. After considering all the facets of a project, environmental clearance is accorded subject to implementation of the stipulated environmental safeguards. In case of projects where the project proponents have submitted complete information, a decision is taken within 90 days. The 6 regional offices of the ministry functioning at Shillong, Bhubaneswar, Chandigarh, Bangalore, Lucknow and Bhopal undertake monitoring of cleared projects. The primary objectives of this procedure is to ensure adequacy of the suggested safeguards and also to undertake mid-course corrections if required. Sometimes, one or more natural resources becoming limiting resource in a given region and that restricts the scopes of the development projects. The salient features of 2006 Amendment to EIA notifications are: Environment Impact Assessment Notification of 2006 has decentralized the environmental clearance projects by categorizing the developmental projects into 2 categories, that is Category A, which is National Level Appraisal, and Category B, State Level Appraisal. Category A projects are appraised at national level by Impact Assessment Agency and Expert Appraisal Committee, and Category B projects are appraised at state level. State Level Environmental Impact Assessment Authority and State Level Expert Appraisal Committee are constituted to provide clearance to Category B process. After 2006 amendment, the EIA cycle comprises of 4 stages: screening, scoping, public hearing and appraisal. Category A projects require mandatory environmental clearance and thus they do not undergo the screening process. Category B projects undergo screening process and they are classified into 2 types. 1. Category B projects mandatorily requires environmental impact assessment, and Category B2 projects which do not require environmental impact assessment. Thus, Category A projects and Category B projects undergo the complete EIA process, whereas Category B2 projects are excluded from the complete environmental impact assessment process. Procedure for public hearing. Notice of public hearing. Whoever applies for environmental clearance of projects should request the concerned State Pollution Control Board to initiate a public hearing. The State Pollution Control Board issues a notice for environmental public hearing which will be published in at least 2 newspapers widely circulated in the region around the project, one of which will be in the vernacular language of the locality concerned. State Pollution Control Board mentions the date, time, place of the public hearing. Suggestions, views, comments and objections of the public will be invited within 30 days from the date of publication of the notification. All persons including the residents, environmental groups and others located at the project site or sites of displacement or sites likely to be affected can participate in the public hearing.